Hello, so are you looking for a translation from English to another language like Arabic, Korean, a language that you have no idea about? So here is the tip. So here, for example, we have this list of English words, and I want to translate it automatically to Arabic. So what should I do? Okay, good. So first of all, select these words, go to review, then translate. Here is our translator. So here is the language that you want to translate from, let's say. And after that, we want it to be Arabic. So come here, let's go to A, search for Arabic, and click here. Up, everything is with us. So click on it, select it, and Control. Then select the place that you will paste on. Click here, Paste Special, and then Unicode Text. And voila, everything is here. For Korean again, come here, go to, okay, where is it? Where is it? Search with me. It is here. Good. And then click here. Don't forget. After that, just copy it and again select this, click the right button of the mouse, and then paste special Unicode text. And voila, everything is automatically translated from English to Arabic and Korean. Also, you have a bunch list of languages that you can just translate to, and you are free to use these languages. That's it, and thank you for watching.